going on, YouTube, man? We here again with another video. We got some good news for the channel, man. The Trimerl letter took, man. We got some puppies on the way.
Yeah, man, pups on the way.
ABKC registered. Pocket, very short, man. Very short. We gonna show y'all the female. Show you how she looking right now. Show you the pups on the way, man.
Yeah, definitely man, update, man.
Gotta give y'all an update. We got a
that
couple
right there,
today, man. They're running around.
Right there, though.
Bella.
This Dior, y'all. We'll give y'all an update on that Dior litter. This her right here. Come on, Dior. As I see, she don't want to do nothing. She real lazy. We did confirm the litter, man. It's that Dior. Y'all check her out, man. I'm gonna be some nice pups, man. I'm gonna try to see if I can get her up for y'all. But y'all just stay tapped in, man. Stay tuned in, man. We got a lot of upcoming things, man. Like I said, we got new studs. We already got females for the future. Dior.
Bro, get your ass home, bro.
Dior. Yeah, this that Dior litter right here, man. Yeah, check that girl out. She ain't too tall either, yeah. This that Dior litter, y'all. She is confirmed for sure.
You see it? First litter.
Yeah.
First litter.
For them girls, man, for sure. You know it's a 50-50, which I know. It's her right here. The litter is confirmed. I know y'all been waiting, so it's a little update on it. Y'all can see it. Niggas got way bigger. Check out. She don't want to do nothing but lay down, just kick it. But yeah, man, yeah. It's an update, man.
Y'all see it.
Check out, man. This Eastside Exotic Kennels, man. Y'all stay tapped in, man. We got a lot of upcoming stuff on the way, man. A lot of breeders on the way. Upcoming studs, upcoming females, man. Y'all just stay locked in, man. Follow our Instagram, Eastside Exotic Kennels, man, for all the updates on anything. Y'all can hit us up there. And y'all can call us too, for sure. But this that Dior right here, man.
I can give y'all a little tip too, man. How you know if your female took? Is she still swole, man?
For sure.
How you know? Let me show you. See how she still kind of swole, like she still in heat? Female still swole, man. How you know possibly she took, man?
So do not but lay down, man.
Look at these fools. Dior litter on the way, man. Trimerl. Pocket. See how short she is. What's going on?
You already know what it is, man. Eastside Exotic Kennels, like I said, man. Follow us on Instagram. Like this channel. Subscribe. Comment, man. We be seeing everything, man. We on the way to 200 subscribers, man. Y'all already know what's up. Hey, man. I don't know what to say, man.
Get up my boy ZSB towing, man. If you need a tow, man. We in Atlanta. Look at them bulls, man. It's hot out here today, man. So they doing anything.
That's all I should do, y'all. Till later.
Ain't moved yet.
She ain't gonna move. I'll lay that ass under the car.
You got them hazel ass eyes.
Check her out, y'all.
Bella.
Look at the structure.
The nano queen, man.
How many months?
10 months, man.
10 months.
She ain't getting no taller. She just gonna get wider, head bigger. Y'all know how this go. She gonna be crazy. She gonna be ready by the end of the year, man.
Bro said she ready by the end of the year.
She'll be ready by the end of the year. We're gonna have some nanos from Bella. Looking for a stud, man. You got a stud, east side exotic kennels, man. Send them to me.
You feel me?
Nano only though.
He gotta be him though.
Nice micro. He gotta be short, or nano only, man.
Gotta compliment the female.
Yes, sir. Y'all see her. How low she is. 10 months. Bella, come here. I see how short she is, man.
Come on.
Shorty boy. Her mama Walla. Her mama Walla, man. Shorty boy. Bella, Nano. She probably like, I don't even know, I never measured her. I gotta measure her. I say about 8 inches. Maybe 10.
Rocking with her. Let us know in the comments y'all rocking with her, man.
Look at this girl, man. She-male. 2-time devil spit. That's what that devil spit look like right there. That devil spit don't look like that, man. It ain't devil spit.
Let us know, man.
10 months old.
Let us know in the comments, man.
She a monster.
Let us know in the comments. Come on.
She a monster.
Comments.
Look at that girl. 10 months. 10 months, man. I've been getting a lot of inquiries about her, man. If you want her, we can do a little coat on.
Gotta come with the bag, though.
Man, that bag gotta be right, man. None less than 20. That's all I'm gonna say. Look at that girl. No litters at all. She already had the first heat 3 months ago, so you know what time it is. She about to come back in. Look at this, man.
Trying to get up there, too. So update on her, y'all.
It's Bella at 10 months, man. Look at Pluto. Pluto.
Y'all want to see him up there, too?
Look at that boy. Pluto, come here.
Let's see if we can get him up there. Let's see if we can get him up there, y'all.
That boy about 7 months. I think he's 7 months.
Let's see if we can get him up there.
Pluto heavy on her. That boy heavy.
He gonna do too much movement, though.
Yeah. He gonna do all that moves. Look at that boy Pluto, man. He ain't gonna stop moving.
Chill out. Chill.
He's 7 months. Gucci, brother.
Sure.
Tank line venom. We finna stack them up, man. Look at this girl, pregnant. Litter on the way, man. East side exotic kennels. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a good one. Good boy Pluto, man. 7 months. I'm thinking about running with Bella, man. I don't know yet. Look at that boy. He don't want to stop moving. He on his puppy. 7 months, man. Tank line venom.
Come on.
Tank line venom.
Get up there. Get up there. Stay up there, though. He ain't gonna stay.
Yeah, he don't want to stay, man. He want to act crazy. I go get the choker chain. Look at that boy, 7 months, man.
Stay up there.
Tank line venom. Look at that boy. Oh yeah. That's some real bulls.
Come on.
That's some real bulls. Man, we invested in our account, man. We ain't do no $1,000 bullies over here. So you know the puppy's gonna be a nice number, man. But you getting quality dogs, man. Exotic. Micro, nano, pockets. Quality dogs, man. Look at this man. He's 7 months. Look at this boy. Good job, Pluto. Well, you ready to move now. But that's what's going on, man, at the camp.
Yeah, man, we just want to give y'all a little update of what's going on, show y'all the dogs.
Gotta show you the dogs,
Gotta show you the dogs.
Got to, man.
So, you know, keep y'all updated with everything, man. We're gonna make another video. Y'all just stay tapped in, man. It's Eastside Exotic Kennels, man. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us on the ground. And, you know, I don't know. I might take y'all to the store with me though, real quick. I gotta go to the feed store, so I might take y'all with me. If I do, then the video gonna be longer. But if not, then I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, man. If you try this out, it can, man.
Yes, sir. We signing out.